Howdy, partners. I'm the Seatbelt Sheriff. Yee-haw! I got some big news for y'all today, but later. I said later. Oh, come on now. Sorry about that. But first, it's time to... After one, I want you all to give me a big yee-haw. You think y'all can do that for me? Here we go now. 3, 2, 1, yee-haw! Not bad. Not bad at all. But I reckon y'all can give me a better yee-haw than that. Here we go. 3, 2, 2.5, 2.25, 1, yee-haw! Yep, y'all ready to help me out now, partners? Now, y'all know the way you buckle up in the car, right? Going to school, to the shops, a match or a class, even a birthday party. You gotta make sure you buckle up every time. So I want you to be the seatbelt sheriff in your car and make sure that everyone is buckled up. You'll get yourself a special badge, kinda like this one here, and a certificate to make sure everyone knows that you are a seatbelt sheriff. But now, it's time for the big news! Hello, come on, the big news! Come on now! So, I want you to draw me up a poster telling everyone to buckle up, just like these ones. And if it's real good, you could win €2,000 for your class. Oh, that was heavy. A trip to Dublin to meet the main man himself, me, and a fun day out at Dublin Zoo. Yee-haw! So you let your teacher know if you want to join in. I hope to see you all soon, and maybe, come on, get rid of this thing, come on now. And don't forget, buckle them up, sheriffs.